Good evening, friends. Today, the 17th of May 2021, Monday. The time is 8:10 p.m. Uh, the topic for today's knowledge sharing session would be to have an exposition of law vis-a-vis the Constitution of India, Article 136. What is Article 136? Article 136 title is Special Leave of Appeal by the Supreme Court, and it has got two clauses. Clause number 1 reads as follows: notwithstanding anything in this chapter, the Supreme Court may, in its discretion, grant special leave to appeal from any judgment in its discretion, grant special leave uh, from any judgment, decree, determination, sentence or order in any cause or matter passed or made by any court or tribunal in the territory of India. The second clause is nothing in clause 1 shall apply to any judgment, determination, sentence or order passed by any court or tribunal constituted by or under any law related to the armed forces. So while we try to delve into this special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court, it is important for us to understand the scope of Article 136. By Article 32 of the Constitution, the court is empowered to see that the fundamental rights conferred on the citizens by the Constitution are not in any way affected. By Article 136, it has been given overriding power to grant special leave to appeal against orders of courts and tribunals which go against the principles of natural justice and lead to grave miscarriage of justice. The exercise of these powers could only have been contemplated in cases which affect the rights of people living within the territory of India in respect of their person, property, or status. At this juncture, it is pertinent to refer to a case law in the matter of Bharat Bank Limited versus employees, as held in AIR 1950 Supreme Court SC, AIR 1950 SC at page number 188, wherein it was held by the Honorable Supreme Court of India that it is obvious that these words greatly widen the scope of Article 136. They show that an appeal will lie also from a determination or order of any tribunal in any cause or matter. Now comes the question, a legal question. In an appeal pending before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, can the Honorable Supreme Court, can the Honorable Apex Court go into the merits of the matter? The answer is yes. And this has been held in the matter of Pal Singh versus State of Punjab, 1969, Volume 3, SCC at page number 196, wherein it has been held that in an appeal, the Supreme Court has the same power as the High Court has, and it is entitled to go into the merits of the matter. Once again, I thank all the participants in today's online session and knowledge sharing to have participated in this wonderful session. And in case of need to reach me or any of the team members, I'm sure you know how to reach us. It's on the following page. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.